Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove TikTok You May Like suggestions. Alright, let's begin. If you're seeing You May Like suggestions on TikTok, here's how to remove or reset them. First, tap the refresh icon next to the suggestions to refresh the list. If that doesn't work, go to your TikTok profile, tap the three-line icon, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and choose Activity Center, then tap Search History. Tap Select at the top, choose Select All, and then tap Delete All, followed by Delete to confirm. Next, return to Settings and Privacy, go to Notifications, and scroll down to Personalized Post Suggestions. Turn off both toggles under that section. Still seeing the same suggestions? Scroll to the bottom of the Settings page and tap Help Us Improve. Select Suggested Searches. Are not interesting or not personalized? Pick the accounts you don't want to see and tap Submit. So that's basically how you can remove TikTok You May Like suggestions. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.